Two popular phone makers, Redmi and Realme, have recently launched their mid-range laptops in India, and here in this video I am going to compare the Redmi Book and Realme Book Slim and suggest you which one is the best. So before we start, don't forget to hit that like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe our channel. Starting with the price, the Redmi Book 15 comes at a price of 42,000 for the Intel Core i3 11th generation processor and 8GB of RAM with a 256GB SSD. And with the same configuration, the Realme Book Slim will come at a price of 45,000. Display, which is an important feature in any laptop, the Redmi Book 15 sports a larger 15.6-inch Full HD display, whereas the Realme Book Slim features a smaller and compact 14-inch screen display with a Full HD resolution. SSD storage. Both the laptops comes with at least 256GB of fast SSD storage in the base model and also available in a variant of 512GB SSD variants for the higher amounts. RAM, which is very essential for a laptop for efficient and smooth multitasking. Both the laptops comes with 8GB of RAM in their base variant. Battery life plays an important role for the use of laptop on the go. The Redmi Book 15 claims to provide 10 hours of backup, while the Realme Book Slim has 11 hours of battery life. So in terms of battery life, Realme Book Slim is having an edge over Redmi Book. Processor. Both the laptop features 11th generation Intel Core i3 processor, which is coupled with 8GB of RAM. Coming to the weight, the Realme Book Slim is very lightweight at just 1.38 kg, whereas Redmi Book, as it is a 15-inch laptop, is bit heavier at 1.8 kg. Graphics. Both the laptops come with the integrated Intel UHD graphic card, which is good for average gaming and light editing. Audio. The laptops have dual speakers, with the Redmi Book having 2 watt speakers while the Realme Book Slim has Harman Kardon speakers. So to conclude with, if you want a larger display, you can go for Redmi Book. Otherwise, if you want a lightweight compact laptop with a long lasting battery life and great audio experience, definitely you should go with the Realme Book Slim. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.